Today I'm going to show you how to replace the blinker bulb in a 2010 Nissan Murano. We've got the hood open to start with. We're going to go around this panel here. There's one on both sides. We're going to replace both lights. But there are these tabs that fit in all along the top here. And we're going to remove these tabs. And in order to remove these tabs, now to remove these clips when they're flat in the vehicle, a small flathead screwdriver, I found my fingernails, can also get under the edge. There's 3 tabs along the side for you to put a screwdriver under and lift this center tab up. Now once that center tab lifts up, what it does is it loosens the anchor that's down here, so that when it's up about this far, you're able to pull the whole base now up out of the opening. And in order to put these back into place, you put with the tab up, you put this back into the opening. When it goes in and fits, you push the center tab back down and this locks it in place. Then we're going to come back and repeat that with all these tabs across the top here. We got them on the second panel as well. Once you get all these tabs up and out, it's going to remove this top panel on the right. We'll set that aside with the tabs. We've already removed all the tabs out of this top left piece and do the same. Now that this is removed, you may have 1 or 2 tabs still holding this top piece in, which is, there was openings through the top tab. You may not have got all the ones for this trim panel across the front grille assembly. We're going to want to remove this. Now we're going to set this aside. Now these tabs that you just got done removing all across the top, there is one more. And this one more is straight down here in the front. I'll get a better picture of this. That goes right down in the front. I don't know if you can see it, but it sits right there, right towards the front, right in there. And that's another one of the clips that has to come up. And that thing is located right back there to give you an idea where it's at. This clip is right down there. Now that you have all these tabs released, you also have clips that hold this on, and you sort of have to wiggle this whole panel loose, and this whole complete panel will be removed. This is going to give us access to the light bulbs. Now I've already had this off, of course, but for the turn signals, the first one's right down here. You're going to have to twist the base 90 degrees to release. The bulb does the same thing. It's a bayonet type bulb. You push down, twist in, and then we replace this bulb. We're going to do the same over here on the passenger side. We've already replaced the bulb. If you're replacing one and going this far, it's best to replace 2. If you need help with removing the car stereo, with speaker replacement, any other things to do with this car, see our website, carstereohelp.com, and see what we have there for your vehicle. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.